Unveiling the top affordable SMM panel in Bangladesh at NSB OOS TBD. Cheapest and best SMM panel in Bangladesh. NSB OOS TBD. When it comes to social media marketing, SMM in Bangladesh. NSBSBW.com stands out as the top choice for businesses looking to boost their online presence at an affordable price. With a wide range of services and unbeatable prices, NSBOOSTBD.com has established itself as the go-to SMM panel for businesses of all sizes. In this article, we will take a closer look at why NSBOOSTBD.com is the cheapest and best SMM panel in Bangladesh. What sets NSBOOSTBD.com apart from other SMM panels in Bangladesh? NSBOOSTBD.com offers a comprehensive range of services tailored to meet the needs of businesses in Bangladesh. From Facebook likes to Instagram followers, NSBOOSTBD.com has everything you need to boost your social media presence and reach a wider audience. What's more, NSBOOSTBD.com offers some of the lowest prices in the industry, making it the go-to choice for businesses looking to maximize their marketing budget. Why choose NSBOOSTBD.com for your SMM needs? Competitive pricing. NSBOOSTBD.com offers some of the cheapest rates in the industry, allowing businesses of all sizes to access high-quality SMM services without breaking the bank. Wide range of services from Facebook to YouTube. NSBOOSTBD.com offers a comprehensive range of services to help businesses boost their online presence. Across multiple platforms, quick delivery, with fast delivery times and instant results. NSBOOSTBD.com ensures that your social media campaigns are up and running in no time. 24/7 customer support. NSBOOSTBD.com prides itself on its excellent customer service, with a dedicated team available around the clock to answer any questions or concerns you may have. How does NSBOOSTBD.com ensure quality and reliability? NSBOOSTBD.com is committed to providing high-quality SMM services that deliver real results for your business, with a team of experienced professionals and a proven track record of success. NSBOOSTBD.com is the trusted choice for businesses looking to elevate their social media presence. Whether you are looking to increase your online following or promote a new product, NSBOOSTBD.com has the tools and expertise you need to succeed. In conclusion, NSBOOSTBD.com is the cheapest and best SMM panel in Bangladesh for businesses looking to boost their online presence. With affordable prices, a wide range of services, and exceptional customer support, NSBOOSTBD.com is the top choice for businesses of all sizes. Do you miss out on the opportunity to take your social media marketing to the next level with NSBOOSTBD.com?